Hola, amigos. We're back caring for corals. Today, I wanted to talk about buoyancy and control over where you are in the water and respect for wildlife and their space. If you haven't watched the video where the triggerfish is attacking my camera, you should do so. This is a triggerfish, and I backed up when it came close this time. So here you can see I'm cleaning seaweed and sediment from an area of live rock. And you can see that there's a bit of a current pushing me from behind. And so I have to be very careful about controlling where my body is in the water in order to not run into the coral and damage anything that we're actually trying to protect. So becoming self-aware, particularly where your fins are when you're scuba diving, is really important. And good dive masters will teach this, but it takes practice. And so until you have a good handle on it, it's not wise to get too close to the corals. Here you can see Wes cleaning the platform, and he's able to actually hold on to the platform, which is very helpful for someone who's newer to diving and still learning to control his buoyancy. I have to say, though, he's really good for a newbie. Speaking of newbies, I was able to take Vianney, who is a natural resource manager university student here from Cozumel, out to practice her diving and to see coral restoration techniques. And we were able to do that because of our generous donors. Vianney was able to use Wes's BCD. So back to the subject of respecting the space of wildlife. This is a balloonfish. The balloonfish is quite shy in my experience, and they actually have a defense mechanism where they can inflate their bodies with water, but it's very stressful for them. So we don't want that to happen. Okay, how cute is this fish's face? So you can see that Wes got a little close and the balloonfish decided to relocate. And that's me cleaning over there. Once I noticed that the balloonfish was wanting to come in my direction, I backed off from the area. We need to remember that the ocean is their home and we're guests and visitors. And on that note, I decided to put in this raggedy footage because this is what actually comes home with me most of the time. Because it's more important that I take care of the environment that I'm in than get the great shot with the camera. So yeah, this is this is me trying to make sure that I don't hurt anything. Again, thank you so much for helping us care for corals. We are making great progress on getting our gear, and hopefully soon we will be able to get our training. So thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate you.